All right, so we're getting ready. We are making some final touch, just to make sure that everything is perfectly clean, and to make everything perfect and add all those details sometimes requires a lot, and I mean a lot of precision, and we need to really spend time on some small details. Sergey is cleaning crystals right there, and it's like takes a lot of time, especially when you need to clean crystals on the top. And guys and girls, you can imagine how difficult to clean those kind of crystals. Do you see the height? So we're spending a lot of time doing additional efforts to make sure that we cleaning everything, we have a checklist and we cleaning everything. Literally, we spent a lot, and I mean a lot, on cleaning. We have the whole team cleaning the villa after each visit, and it takes around 2 days to make sure that everything is perfect. So the team, at least of 3 workers, is working on the villa during the preparation. So everybody is moving really fast to make sure and that everything is perfectly clean, including crystals, floors. We're adding special liquids to floors, making sure that we're checking and changing everything, double checking everything. The pool is ready, the pool is clean. We have personnel who cleans the pool every single day, making sure we deliver excellent quality. And during your stay, the personnel cleaning pool every third day. They are adding special liquid and sanitizer to all surfaces to make sure that we are working under the protocol that we designed for COVID-19. In terms of music, make sure it's not loud. It's against the rules in this area in Cocotal, Bavaro. We cannot use the loud music and we cannot disturb the neighbors. So make sure you keep the volume and make sure you're listening to the music inside the house. So or light touch of the music outside of the house. So make sure there is no high volume, please. Basic instructions. All right, we have music here. All right, so this should be in Bluetooth mode. Okay, so it can be like line, radio, and Bluetooth. All right, so right now we are at Bluetooth mode. So the volume you can control here, but we have 4 different channels. So you can make, let's say, louder in some channels and let's say medium in other channels. All right, so let's try it. Okay, so let's say I put everything on medium, and you can test it which is zone where, and that's, by the way, like turning on button and turning off. Let me connect my audio system to make sure it's connected to the Bluetooth. Okay, so yes, it's called Play USA. You see, it's connected. Nice, and let's try to put some music. All right. You can control the volume on your device, and you can control the volume on the system, in the system. This is basically workplace. I guess I don't need to explain you much. And this is the service room. It's like the toilet on the first floor. Let's check it. So, okay. And the bathroom. All right. The TV set You can just turn it on and connect to your Netflix channel, and that's gonna be it. This TV is not connected to cable. This TV is connected only to internet. So you can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix or some else, another online service. This is Wi-Fi password. Usually we kept it over there, but you can find this here. I guess it's really comfortable just to connect to your Wi-Fi right now. You have maid services included. So basically whatever you need, changing towels, cleaning sheets, something else, just communicate with our maid. She doesn't speak English, but you can just use Google Translator and she do her best to understand. Thank you so much. Or you can communicate with our villa manager, so we can communicate this to the maid. But the easiest way is just to use Google Translator. But in case you don't want to do it, just communicate to us and we will manage everything. The fridge is pretty standard, so it's just like huge fridge, and you have freezer over there. You can put the ice over there. You can order the some ice in Colmado, so like local shop, and keep your water and your drinks cool. The barbecue is over there. Probably the chef is going to manage your barbecue, so you're gonna be happy. Okay, let's go with some room instructions, right? So first of all, we need to turn on our air conditioner, right? So you have fan over there. You have two controls. You have AC control, yeah? So, and you have the security box at every single room. How to set up your security box? You just click the button, yeah? You just put the code, okay? You close, all right? Then lock, all right? To unlock, you unlock. Just press this number, press your code, unlock. Pretty easy. To reprogram the code, click one more time over here, this small button, yeah, and put one more time the code. In case that you lock the security box, we need to have at least 40 minutes to get to the property with keys and help you out. The controls. All right, so basically one control is from TV and another control is from the cable, all right? So just like turn it on and then switch channels at another control. The air conditioner is pretty basic, pretty easy. So just switch the mode to its heat, cool, okay? You can switch the fan from auto to fan on, okay? And for sure you can turn it off. Make sure when you use an air conditioner, please close your doors and make sure that we are using the air conditioner with closed doors. If we keep our doors open, it could damage the air conditioner system because it's hot here in the Dominican Republic. So please make sure that you are using air conditioner only with closed doors. Let's play with controls. Press OK to watch the TV. So, OK. So then you just play with channels. Okay, so you switch the channel and that's it. Easy, basic stuff.